Messy data is costing your team hours every week, and most people don't even know there is a faster way. Today I'll show you how to extract clean text from inconsistent, symbol-heavy strings using two powerful functions, TEXTAFTER or REGEXEXTRACT. Stick around because at the end I'm going to show you something that will completely change how you think about Excel formulas forever. I am Nabil Murad. Let's dive in. I want to clean the messy data in column A, where I have for each record an employee name, department, and then a different symbol for every record, some extra spaces, and then the employee title. I want to extract the employee title, and I start doing that by using a TEXTAFTER function. I want to extract everything following department, then I type equal TEXTAFTER. I select cell A3, I type a comma, and my delimiter will be the text department. I type it in double quotation. I close the bracket and then hit enter, and I was able to extract everything following the word department. But I have some symbols. I have extra spaces, leading and trailing spaces. I want to get rid of all that, and the symbols are not the same. Then I'm going to wrap my TEXTAFTER function in another TEXTAFTER function. I put my function in the edit mode, and then I type TEXTAFTER. My text will be my first TEXTAFTER function. I type a comma at the end, and for the different symbols, I'm going to write all of them in curly brackets separated by comma, each of them in double quotation. I close the bracket for the second TEXTAFTER, and when I hit enter, here is my result. But I do have some extra spaces. Then the final step is to wrap all this bunch of functions in a trim function. So I hit F2, I type trim, and this time instead of just cleaning cell A3, I select an entire range from A3 down to A12. I close the bracket for the trim function, and when I hit enter, my function spills for all the records. I can also use a REGEXEXTRACT function, and the REGEXEXTRACT will extract everything following a pattern I specify. So I start by typing equal REGEXEXTRACT. What's your text? I'll be selecting all the cells in column A from A3 to A12. I type a comma, and now this is the pattern argument. I'm going to write all my pattern in brackets in double quotation, and I'll explain it bit by bit. The question mark less than equal department, that means I want to extract everything following department. But I also have some symbols, and these symbols are different. So for the symbols, I include all of them in square brackets. Because the symbols might appear more than once, then I type 1, 3 in curly bracket. That means whether I have 1, 2, or 3 occurrences, I'm going to get rid of all of them. The backslash and W means that the first thing to extract must be a word character. The dot and asterisk mean grab everything after the first character up to the end of the string. I close the bracket for my REGEXEXTRACT, but to get rid of any trailing space, I'm going to wrap it in a trim function. I hit enter. And here is the result. I was able to clean my messy data regardless of the variation in symbol, and I extracted the employee title. Now here is where it gets interesting. What if you didn't need to know the formula at all? The Copilot function in Excel allows you to describe in plain English what you want to do. Watch this. I'm going to hide columns B and C, and in cell D3, I want to describe what I want to do. Actually, I want to extract the employee title available in column A and follow the text, department, and some symbols afterwards. And I want to remove unwanted spaces. What I just explained is the prompt that I'll be providing for the Copilot function. In cell D3, I type equal Copilot. This is Microsoft 365. And the prompt must be typed in double quotation. I want to extract the employee title available in column A and follow the text department and some symbols afterwards. Remove unwanted spaces. I type a comma, and then I select the range from A3 to A12, and I close the bracket. When I hit enter, boom. I got the employee title cleaned from any other text or symbols. 3 methods, 1 problem solved. That's the Excel mindset we build in every corporate training session. If you want your team to think this way about every data challenge they face, head to OfficeInstructor.com and book your workshop today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.